Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your car brake pads in less than 5 minutes. Nice and easy. Your first step is to remove this brake caliper. There are two screws, one at the top and one at the bottom. You'll need to undo these bolts, and then that way you can remove the brake caliper by pulling it outward. Once you have removed the bolts, put the caliper aside and start removing the brake shoes or brake pads, whatever you call them in your country. They should come out just by pulling them outward. And then once you have them out, install the new ones the same way you took the old ones out. Once you've finished installing the new brake pads, your next step is to push down that hydraulic cylinder. The hydraulic cylinder comes out as your brake pads wear out to adjust itself, but that needs to be pushed back flat again. To do that, you can use a tool like this. This tool you can buy really cheap from either Amazon or Temu for under $20. But if you don't have one, that's okay, don't panic. You can still do it with a piece of wood or a handle of a hammer. Push it sideways and push down on it. You should be able to push it back down with a bit of a force, but it will be easily doable. Once you have finished pushing the cylinder back down, you should be able to install the caliper back in place easily. But before you put the bolts back in, check the box that you got the brake pads from. There should be a little bag with grease in it like this. Apply it on the smooth edge of the bolt, but make sure you do not get it on the threads. Once you have fully applied it on the bolt, you can now align it and push it back in place. Repeat the same process on the second bolt. Apply it on the smooth edge, but not on the threads. If your box did not come with this grease, that's okay, you should be able to buy it from any hardware store. It's just a high temperature grease, that's all it is, and it prevents the bolt from rusting and also allows it to glide smoothly as the brake calipers move while you are driving. When you finish installing everything correctly, all you have to do now is tension the bolts again, but make sure you make them super tight so they do not come loose while you are driving. And just like that, you are pretty much done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos of how to do your own DIY mechanics on your cars.